Hi there, my name is Tim Johnson, and I thank you for taking a moment of your time today to check out this course. What I want to do here is bring you from start to finish on creating a book and getting it listed on Amazon. If you have some illustrations that you've scribbled down and a manuscript that you have written on a napkin or something, I want to give you the tools to take all that information, package it up, and get it published on CreateSpace on demand. On-demand printing is something that's done with by a subsidiary company of Amazon called CreateSpace. They're a company who works with Amazon to list books and to take your book, and when someone orders a book from Amazon, they will print a copy and ship it out. You don't have to touch anything. You don't have to have inventory. You don't have to buy anything up front. There's nothing for you to pay for up front. What they do is they split the cost and they give you a healthy royalty. It's a good 20-25% royalty, which is very good, very competitive, and there's no upfront cost to you. The book quality is great from them, and I want to show you how to get your book from scraps to proof. That first printed proof is always really fun to get, and then onto the listing on Amazon. It's a lot of fun. We're going to show you how to get this listing page where people can click on your book, they can scroll through the first few pages, just like you would if you're shopping for a book on Amazon yourself. We're going to get you into the Amazon ranking system and get you going on your way to publishing. So I want to take you from start to finish and get your book out there. So thank you for taking a moment here. Join the course. It's free. We'll get you published and get you ordering your first proof this afternoon. All right?